Look at that wrist. Look at that, how thick that is. Do you see the thickness right here? Like I'm telling you, it was not like that. This is the exact workout I use to grow my wrists thicker, both visually and measurably. It's very simple, but from my experience, it was very effective. So this worked very well for me. And without further ado, I'm gonna jump into it. And if you want to, you can follow along, but remember, always adjust this to your level, all right? Always go at your own pace and build up your strength. And what you're gonna need for this workout is a pull-up bar. You can use a tree branch if you have that, or anything to pull up onto. Just always make sure it's secure and there's nothing sharp up there that's gonna cut your hands, obviously. Now, because I typically have been doing this at the end of my workouts, I'm typically warmed up, but if you are doing this cold, be sure to warm up first. You can do some wrist circles like this, stretch out your wrists a little bit. Anything that's gonna warm up your grip, you can basically do as a prelude to this exercise. Just be sure you're warmed up, but like I said, I typically would do this at the end of my workout, so I'm actually already warmed up and I'm ready to go. Let's dive into it. So this is going to be 5 sets of hangs. What we're going to do is we're going to hang as long as we can, and then we are going to rest for as long as that hang. I'm going to go for 100 seconds, but no guarantees here, okay? We'll see what I can do. All right, about shoulder width right here. 2, 1, and you're going to let go, and you're going to sink into it. Feet off the ground. Okay, now I'm not locking my thumbs under my fingers. Okay, you see they are free. And what I'm also trying to do here is I'm trying to clamp my thumb against the pull up there, okay? I'm trying to clamp it. Trying to work some thumb as well. And if you need to kind of adjust your grip, you can, but just try to hold tight. Very important is I'm not just trying to like relax hang, I'm actually really trying to grip this bar like tight. I'm trying to squeeze it, okay? I'm trying to like squeeze the juice out of the bar. That's what I'm thinking about. All right. 60 seconds left to 100 seconds. Uh-oh. Hold on. Typically the way this goes is I'll usually do the first one, I get a decent time, and the second one it gets so much harder, as you'll see, but I really feel like by the 5th set it's like pumped in the wrist basically. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm coming. 30 seconds left to 100 seconds. Come on, we can do this. Clamp those thumbs. 15 seconds left. Starting to slip. 10 seconds left. 2, 1. Oh, yeah, okay, that's, Yep. Whew, man, okay. All right, that's some imprints right there on the hands, all right? That's all right, shake it off, shake it off. Whew. So we hung for 100 seconds, so what I'm going to do is now I'm gonna rest for 100 seconds. Something that might help you out right now is keep your hands down like this, and open and close them, just like that. Just kind of getting the blood back in the hands, because if you're hanging like this, your hands are up there, the blood's coming down. But yeah, getting some blood back in the hands, getting some blood in the forearms. All right, 40 seconds into the rest. Now, like I said, the pattern we're following is we're going to do as long as we can hold, and then I'm going to rest as long as that hold was. Okay, so if you hung longer, rest a little bit longer. Whew. But this is cool if you're doing this with me. We're chilling. We're growing some thick, strong wrists and hands and grip here. Good endurance. Alrighty. Oh wow, that forearm pump too. We're gonna have to recover that later. Okay. If this is your first time doing this, you might want to go less. Okay. And if you're really feeling a cramping pump, maybe take a little extra time. But if you're able to get that full 100 seconds and you're feeling pretty good right now, then you can probably hang in there with me. All right, we have 9, 8, 7, 6 seconds left. 5, 4, and hang. Alrighty, I am gonna go for 60 because I know myself, although I should just be trying to go till failure, okay? If this is your first time doing this, just go as long as you can without injuring yourself, obviously. Good form. Oh man, it's already burning. Yeah, see these second, third, fourth, fifth sets are horrible. Oh man, I might only get 45 seconds here. Shoot. Oh gosh. Oh shoot, yeah. Only got 45, man. That was not what I wanted. But hey, so if you can't always hit it all the time, you don't have to work out. Things are, you're tired. The only problem with only getting 45 is now we only have 45 seconds of rest. So I need to remember exactly where that landed. All right, I think we're gonna be there when we get to like 15-ish, yeah. Yeah, so that comes quick when that second set, but dang, all right, I'm gonna try to lock in on this third one here. Try to get at least 45 again, if not a little longer, all right? This is how this goes though, this is how this goes. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lock in, baby, lock in, all right? Redemption from that last set, let's just relax. Shoot, I might only get 30. Oh, shoot, only got 30. Oh. Hey, it is what it is. Like I'm saying, you build up over time. So if you've been doing this consistently, you'll be able to build up a lot better than I'm doing right now. But hey, we're just following along. What the heck was that? All right, 30 seconds goes by quick. All right. And hold. 2 more sets. Let's just try to get 30 seconds each. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Okay. Oh. All right, I'm gonna do something a little different on this last set here. Let's make this one a little bit different. I'm gonna rest for a good minute, 30 seconds, and then we're gonna do one more set. I'm gonna try to get 45 seconds, maybe a minute, all right? But I just want a little bit more rest on this last one. I feel like I'm not holding long enough to get enough rest, if that makes sense. Which, you know, if you need to adjust it, we adjust. That's why this is a follow-along workout, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. A good another way to approach this, if you're kind of just want to do something even, is maybe take like 40% of your max hold and try to do that 5 times. So that would be like 60 seconds for 5 sets, and do like a minute rest in between. Maybe if you need a little more, you could do like 2 minutes rest. I don't know, that's kind of pushing it. Maybe a minute and 30 seconds rest in between. But yeah, this is the workout I did right here at the end of mine. It was just go as long as I can, rest as long as I went, and then that 5 times. Man, the pump's really getting crazy on these last couple of sets, I'm telling you. All right, so we're gonna do the final set here. I'm gonna try to hold it for as long as I can. We'll just see what we can do. I don't know how long I'm resting. Maybe it was like a 2 minute or, oops. But hey, all right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold. Keep going if you can. Look at that wrist. Look at that, how thick that is. Do you see the thickness right here? Like that, like I'm telling you, it was not like that. I'm telling you, before it was like I looked at my wrist and I was like, oh shoot, those look like twigs. I started doing this at the end of my workouts. twice a week. So not at the end of every workout, just twice a week. Took a couple of weeks and I started to notice some serious stimulation in the wrist, and I just kept it going for about several months, and then just keeping that going, I've noticed a difference ever since. And now for the past like year or so, I've only really been doing this about once a week or so, but I don't even really do all 5 sets anymore. I'm just kind of like maintaining, at least that's what I believe. And yeah, I'll just do it one max hold typically at the end of maybe one workout a week, and I feel like it's maintained those gains I made. But yeah, with that being said, everybody's different. I don't know if this will work for everyone. This is just what I believed worked for me for making some noticeable wrist gains. And well, I hope it works for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to always adjust to your own pace. Don't forget to always take precautions. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Stay tuned for the next follow along workout. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.